we have when we got our
Yes, beta.
So you have stated answer.
So when we will get the results of chemistry?
Very soon, beta.
Physics, not chemistry.
Beta, listen to me carefully, okay? Please turn off your mics, all of you, right now, and start. I am sharing the screen, okay?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum
Sir,
assalam.
Assalamualaikum, sir. I am Farhan Ali. Sir, when you take the mark of physics test,
you will announce our mark.
Yes, sir. Please tell.
Yes, beta.
please tell.
Okay, I will announce in physics. Okay, but not now today.
So today is our chemistry period. We have.
Sir, today we have physics class.
Beta, wait, and
Yes, sir. Do we have physics class?
yes, quite everyone, we are starting. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, sir.
Listen to it carefully.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Today is very important. Walaikum assalam. Mute everyone. Mute everyone. I don't want any voice. Okay. Okay. Open page number, I can tell you.
23.
Yes. 23. Okay. Listen to me carefully.
Okay, sir.
First thing is that what is whole number? Chapter is whole number. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me.
Second L, what is whole number?
Wait. I can ask you when I want. Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. Okay. So number which are starting from 0.
Sir, we have to open new join.
Yes. 5 and they will continue. Okay. So they are called as natural number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, 0 is the smallest whole number.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Very
0 is
good.
the only number which is not natural number.
Okay. Is it clear? So as you
Yes,
seen,
sir.
okay. As you seen in question number 1, state true or false. Beta, mute everyone. What happened? Huh? Okay. If I found anyone unmuted, okay, I again write the names and inform to you I am in school. Okay. So please follow the instructions. In question number 1, what you have to do, you have to state true or false. Okay. State true or false. Okay. Clear? First one is
Yes, sir.
6 divided by 2. Is this equals to 2 divided by 6? Obviously, it is
No, sir. That is
false.
equal to 3.
Okay.
No, sir.
It will be 3 and it will be
Sir,
less.
very false.
It will be very much
It
less
will
than
be
0 point something. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it will be false.
It will be false.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
it will be false.
Yes, sir, it will be false. So the first one is false.
Okay. Listen to me carefully. I am going to tell you some important properties. Okay. I am going to tell you some important properties. Okay. Okay.
तुम्हारी अम्मी बुला रही है तुमको.
Beta, what is this?
This is Mantish.
So,
So page number.
beta, page number 23. Okay. Is it clear? Listen to me. This exercise is very important. So, as you want to do yourself in assignments, so first you listen to it, then you can able to do.
Sir,
Okay.
can you tell me?
I am
Even
telling you
C
properly. Yes.
Sir, I cannot understand C part. The B part is very easy.
Listen to me. What I am telling, just concentrate on that first. Cumulative property of addition. Okay, cumulative property of addition. What does it say? It says, for example, if A is any number, okay, any number, and B is any number, any other number. So, by using cumulative property, what is cumulative property? If one number is added, A plus B, then it will same as it is if B plus A. So remember this thing, okay? This is a property of cumulative. If A is any number and it is added with B, okay, if two numbers are added, then it will be also written as by reversing the digits, okay? For example, 7 plus 3 is equals to how much? 7
10.
plus, okay. And
Sir, 10.
okay,
7 plus
3 plus 7, 10, sir.
mute everyone.
10 plus 7 is
Mute.
also 10.
Mute yourself. And we know that if we add 3 plus 7, it will be also 10.
10.
Okay. So what we observe here, we are just reversing this comes to first place and this A comes to second place. Okay. This is cumulative property
Yes,
of addition. Remember this thing. This is a property of cumulative for addition. Okay. So we have another property for multiplication. Okay. This is understood to everyone?
Yes, sir.
It's clear.
Like this only.
Okay, I'm telling you, wait, listen to me carefully.
Sir, I understand this.
Protection also you have to
Mute
do like
everyone.
this.
Mute everyone. Okay, again, suppose that cumulative property says that suppose any two number, let's say this is your 25. Okay, 25.
Sir, I don't understood. So please explain again.
But I am telling you, wait. Okay, suppose according to this property of addition in cumulative, when you add two numbers, 23 plus 2, what will be 25?
25.
Okay, when you reverse this thing and put it this place, means 2 plus 23.
23.
It will be always 25. So cumulative property. So according to cumulative property, always A plus B will be equals to B plus A. Okay. Is it clear?
Sir, I have one query.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Sir, I have one query.
Tell me first.
Sin subtraction also we have to do like this. Sin subtraction.
Answer no. It is not valid for
The
subtraction.
subtraction is also a cumulative property.
For multiplication also.
So just addition is cumulative
Sin
property.
subtraction will be
Subtraction is not
another
cumulative.
property. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So please tell that one also.
in the math, applying maths book.
Yeah. Yes, you have to open workbook. Okay. Enjoying mathematics.
Yes, sir. So subtraction is also a cumulative property.
No.
Just addition.
Addition and multiplication. I'm telling you.
will be what? Okay, sir.
Wait, beta.
False. Sir, I understood that.
Beta, wait. Okay. 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 Now for cumulative. For multiplication. Okay. Is it clear? For multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Like example,
Yes, sir.
if A into B can be written as, this can be written as B into A. We all know that. For example, let's
Yes, sir.
take any number. Let's 2 into 3. Okay, what is it? It will be. It will be
Six.
6.
Sir,
Okay.
it will be
When
3
we
multiplied by 2 is equal to 6.
listen to me.
multiplied by 2 is multiplied by 2 is
Beta,
And 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6.
3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6.
Sir,
Mute everyone.
multiplication also we will use.
Wait, everyone. Mute everyone first. Okay. So if we reverse the digits and it is written as 3 into 2, this will again 6. So cumulative holds for multiplication and addition. Very good, mashallah. Okay. Now comes to very important another property. Okay.
That is.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you tell again?
Wait, beta. Okay. Okay. Now comes to another property, that is additive identity.
Sir, what?
Additive.
Additive property.
This color is not visible.
Sir, what?
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
I change it.
Additive.
Okay. Now it's additive identity. Additive
Property.
identity. Okay.
Sir, you are writing so,
Okay, sir. So this is identity.
lightly. Your writing is not clear.
I am writing additive identity.
Sir, can you tell me of multiplication?
Beta, in multiplication, okay, for cumulative, if you multiply 2 into 3, and if you multiply 3 into 2, both are same. So this means that cumulative property holds for multiplication. Okay. Means just if you swapping the digits, okay, and then multiply, then there will be no change in the answer. There will be no change in the product. Okay. So this is a cumulative property for multiplication.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now comes to additive property of additive identity. What it says, if if any number is added with 0, what will happen? It will remain itself. It will remain the original number.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay, in additive inverse, what it does, it says that if 0 is added, okay, to any number, then what will be the answer? The answer is itself, means the number to which you added 0. Okay, for example,
Sir, I cannot understand. Can you explain again?
Okay, what if 0 is added to 2? What will the answer?
Sir, 2 will be the answer.
Only 2 will be the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is additive identity.
Yes, sir. 2 will be the answer.
Okay, this is additive identity. If any number is added with 0, it will remain the original number.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for
Okay,
example, subtract 2 minus 0. So it will be subtractive identity.
Yes, beta.
If we will subtract 2 minus 0, so it will be subtractive identity.
It will be subtractive identity. Okay. And here comes next one is multiplicative identity. First listen to me. I have to complete this thing today. Okay, first complete whatever you have queries. Please WhatsApp me. Okay. First,
Okay, sir.
whatever you have queries. Okay, so that I have to complete today's lecture. Okay. Whatever you have queries regarding properties, you can also tell me. Now comes to okay. Now there is multiplicative identity. Okay, what is that? Multiplicative identity, anyone has idea? What is multiplicative identity?
Sir, what are you writing? It is not visible.
Multiplicative identity. If we will multiply any number by
any number by 0, answer will be 0. This is known as multiplicative identity.
Yes, sir. It is known as multiplicative
multiplicative identity.
0. That is called
multiply by
2. So if you multiply any number with 0, then answer will come itself.
Can I
Okay, yes, tell me multiplicative identity. Anyone has idea?
Sir, I can.
multiply any number with 0? So we will get 0. That's all identity.
Multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. This is known as multiplicative identity.
Yes, tell me again.
Sir, multiplicative identity. Multiple identity. Multiplicative identity.
Sir, we will multiply.
Okay, mute everyone. I am telling you.
Okay, sir.
Have you ever multiplicative identity means that Rashid Ali, beta, what you are doing? Multiplicative identity says that whenever
Sir, my mobile is having so much.
wait, whenever a number is multiplied by 1, okay, what will be the answer? If let's say, for example, if any number,
The number itself.
the number itself.
That 2 into 1.
Okay.
Sir, number
The number itself we will get it.
Whenever number is multiplied by 1. Beta, mute everyone. Beta, who is this? Who is this? Mohammad Darem, why your mic is open? Okay, is it clear to you? Multiplicative identity? Okay. So,
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Because it may be due to some internet problem. Okay.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay. Now, next is very important, and you maybe studied in previous classes also. Okay, associative property of addition. Associative property of addition. Okay, it says that
Sir, your voice is not
I
clear.
understand.
changing the grouping of number. Okay, if changing the grouping or positioning, okay, of number,
Yes, sir.
okay, does not change the sum. Okay, does
Yes,
not
sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what have you written? Changing the?
changing the grouping. I'm telling you the example. Okay, I am telling you the example.
Sir, when we
Listen, okay, suppose that if you have A plus B, okay, and this number is added with C. Listen to me carefully. Okay, so this can be grouped as A plus B plus C. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, no, sir. I don't understand.
For
Sir, I'm
example,
not getting.
Clear.
2
That is
plus
clear.
3
I'm also not getting.
plus,
That's why.
plus 4, for example. So,
Yes, sir. And
this can be
That is
written
equal
as
to
2 plus
2,
3 plus
3
4.
plus 4.
Sir, I got it.
Okay, what is the
Okay,
answer?
sir. Sir, I understand.
I got it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you
That
explain
is
again?
8, 9.
It will be again 9. Okay.
Sir, I want to ask.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Sir, I got
Sir,
it.
can you explain this again?
beta, read on the screen what I wrote. If we are just changing the position, okay, grouping we are changing.
Yes, sir. We are changing the position only.
Okay, this is changed and we take the group of this, okay, as we do here, and leaving this thing. Okay, A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It is clear. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, mashallah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are grouping numbers.
Yes. So I told you a cumulative property of addition, cumulative property of multiplication, additive identity, and multiplicative identity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. You
sir.
have
Yes,
got
sir.
this also.
I have understood.
Okay. So this thing is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Now, similarly, there is an associative property for multiplication also. Okay.
So, what is associative property?
This multiplication also
Yes,
we use this property.
Can please tell?
What?
Said multiply also we use this property only.
Okay. Yes. Now, associative property of addition of multiplication. Okay. Example here is, let's say A is any number, it gets multiplied with B into C. Okay. So this can be written as, okay, if A into B into C. Again, what we are doing here, we are changing the grouping we are doing. Okay. As we
Sir, I
did.
understand.
Very good. As we did in addition.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the difference is
Same only
sign.
get to do here
Okay.
only. Here also.
Difference is only sign. Where there we use addition sign and here we are using
Here we use
multiplication sign.
multiplication.
Okay,
Yes,
is it
sir.
clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir, it
sir.
is clear. I understand
Yes.
this. Sir, it's clear.
Okay. So I'm giving you an example also.
Yes,
Let's
sir, please.
take 2 into 5 into 3. Okay. So it can be written as, yes, who is this?
2 to 5.
Who is speaking? Who is this?
Into C.
Beta,
Sorry, 3.
who is speaking? Okay.
Sir, hello, Ben speaking. Hello, Ben. Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay. So 2 into 5 can be put in one bracket and it's 3. Always compare with the standard one. Okay. In mathematics, always remember beta, if you know the original form,
Okay,
or I can say if you know the definition, so you will never get mistaken.
Can you explain this again? Okay, sir.
Beta,
Okay,
see,
sir.
You know, sir, I understand it. Sir, how you know A is 2 and B is 5 and C is 3?
okay, now it is visible again.
Sir, I'm asking that. Sir, I'm asking that how you know A is 2 and B is 5 and C is 3?
Listen to me.
We are naming.
In mathematics, okay, general formula can be represented in the form of variables, means A, B, C, or any alphabet. This is general form, okay. And A may be any number. B may be any number. I am giving you example. It is written now. It is written example. You can take another example also. So what will be this? 2 into how it is? It is 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And it is 10 and it is 3.
Yes, sir. Sir, myself, Zainab Mother.
Walaikum Assalam. When you multiply 2 times 15, okay, your answer will be 30. And similarly, when you multiply 10 by 3, your answer will be 30. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay, very good, mashallah, mashallah.
Yes, sir, it is clear. I understand it.
Okay, mashallah, very good, very good. Now,
Yes, sir, me too.
okay, mashallah. So, see question number 2. Okay, you have to match the statements. All of you seeing?
Yes, sir. Guys, because after few minutes the period is going to over.
Okay. Yes, this question 2 is clear. You have to match the things. Okay.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. And similarly, question number 3. It is very easy. Okay.
Yes, sir, it is very easy. Yes, sir, it is very easy. Yes, sir, easy. Yes, sir, I will do this exercise completely. I think that period is going to over after few minutes.
Listen to me, beta.
can do exercise because period is going to over after 3 minutes.
Okay, you have to do this. The important property which I have to tell is that distributive property. This is very important because there is a question. Okay. Distributive property. Okay, means you are distributing. Okay, you are distributing the things. Okay. How it works? What it says? It's listen. Let A be any variable, any number, and you want to adding two numbers, and this is get multiplied by A. So what does this distributive property says? That this distribute A is distributed on B and C. Okay. For example, A can be when this comes to this, then it will A into B, and this sign remains same. Remember this thing. Okay, this will remain same, and A is again distributed over C. So A comes to C. Okay, so this can be written as AB plus BC. Is it clear to everyone? This is very important. Okay.
Yes, sir, it is clear. It is very easy.
Okay.
Sir, can you just explain it in numbers? With numbers?
Okay, but I am telling with numbers also. Okay.
Can you explain
Yes, sir, please tell me one example of with numbers.
Okay. So suppose that you have first write it A B plus C.
I want to ask that
A,
we
B.
have multiplied 0 with 16, so answer will come 0 only. It's called multiplication or multi-cabinet identity.
Okay, well, listen to me first. Okay, let's say this is 37 into 20. Okay, so how you distribute it?
Sir, I can tell.
Okay, tell me. You send me. You
Sir,
send me.
I can.
You send me the number.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's say A will be any number. That's 2, and it is your 6, and this is your 4. Okay, now.
Sir, I can tell.
Wait. This 2 is get multiplied by this.
6 plus 64.
Yes.
Sir, I am not understanding this distributive property.
Beta, you concentrate on this. Okay, what we are doing, we are just opening the bracket. Okay, and whatever be the number outside the bracket, it gets multiplied by the numbers inside the brackets. Yes?
Sir, your voice was breaking right now.
Okay, now it's clear. You see, there is also written internet connection.
Sir, again it's breaking.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, beta, watch
So
it.
now it's clear.
Brother,
Okay.
it is internet problems.
Okay, you can also watch it. Okay. And this 2 is get multiplied by 4. So here it is 12, and here it is 8. So how, what's the summation of 12 and 8?
20.
20. And when you, okay, when you add this 6 and 4, it will come 10. And when 10 is multiplied by 2, it comes
So 20.
20.
Sir, 20.
Okay.
It's very easy, very easy.
It is very easy.
But sir, why didn't we want to multiply both the numbers so we can multiply, and if we do not want, so we cannot?
No, beta, it's a property. Okay, you have to perform the method or operation like this only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
go to
sir.
page number 24.
24, sir. So it is homework covered.
Yes, you have to do 20.
Sir, I will do this exercise.
To do this page number 23 as our homework.
Completely.
Sir, 23.
Sir, what to do? Please tell
Sir,
homework.
please tell me the page number.
Beta, it's 24. Listen, open
Okay, sir.
page 24. And okay. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir. Is going to over.
Oh, yes, I know. So you have to do the first, okay, let's read it. Name the properties shown in the following mathematical statements. Okay. There are
Okay, sir.
several things, statements are there in mathematical form. Just you have to write down the property in front of it. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
In the next question, write the correct number in the blank boxes.
Sir, how
Listen to me.
we have to write the property?
Sir, I get
Please tell me how we have
Means
to write the
that,
properties.
means that in the first 30 plus 53 plus 62, it is equals to 30 plus 53 plus 62. So I am
Yes,
telling
sir.
you several properties. So which property this belongs to? Distributive property, associative property of addition, associative property
Oh,
of
sir, it is very
multiplication.
easy.
Like this you have to do.
Yes, it is very easy.
Okay. Second, okay. In second, also you have to fill the blanks. Okay. And question number 3 to 8, statement is given. Okay. You have to read the statement and you have to write in the form of properties. Okay.
Yes, sir. What problem? Okay, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
move to
Okay,
page.
sir.
Beta, move to page number 25.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. 25.
Okay, there are several
sir.
there are several triangles are there. You have to observe the pattern of triangle formed using matchsticks and then complete the table that follows. Okay, also find out the rule for this
That
operation.
is easy.
Okay, so this you have to do.
Okay, sir. It is easy.
Okay, so how many boys
Okay.
and girls, listen to me, how many boys and girls completed chapter fraction?
Fraction.
Today I will send on your personal number at night.
I have completed and I have submitted.
Submit it.
Sir, I will
Sir, I
Submit
am
it.
not doing
today.
it.
I will submit today.
Okay,
Number.
okay. Listen the homework I am
Sir, I will submit today. Exercise
Listen.
5.6.
Yes,
Sir,
sir, I
today I
also
will
send
complete
today.
and send you.
Fraction whole.
Listen to the assignment first. Okay, you have to do 23, 24, 25. Okay. 23,
Okay, sir.
24,
Sir, have you
and
assigned this enjoying assignment?
I am assigning, I am telling you and assigning after the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
what is
Okay, this is worksheet 1, 2, and worksheet 3. Okay.